So in the fish, where the tortoise is done, and we are making the fish mouth is here. So what I do first, before the mouth, we just cut the mouth inside. Hi Danyas, here join. Danyas here from what from you are, beta? Hello. Good afternoon. From next week you start the clay classes. Okay, I send the link. The same link you join every alternative Sunday. This Sunday's classes is just over. We're making this for a few minutes. So how to make the tortoise and the fishes. Okay. So I just make it not that much mouth. We are making very small mouth like this. Okay, see here. Here this mouth. Okay. You can make the mouth like this. But I just see few minutes. Your name Priyanshi, right, beta? What's the good name, beta? Priyanshi, right? Your name Priyanshi? Alicia, right? Okay, Alicia, this is the clay modeling classes. It's almost over. Okay, just wait for 2 minutes. We are finished, and then you can start the drawing. Okay, you'll also join this class every alternative Sunday. This Sunday. Where I not even add you. Today I add you, Alicia, and you can join directly to get the message from me. The clay class is coming next 5 minutes or something today. Like this message I send it. Just you join. When I send every alternative Sunday, you can just join the class. I make the eyes over here. Sides, both sides I add the black, first white, and then I make it the black. Okay, so I make this. How to make the eyes? Very simple. Just do this. Okay, this is eyes. Again, make small circles. Okay, and make it here also. Put it. See, this is eyes. Okay. So now I just add the tail. I took some more pure red color. I just tell. See, first I make a circle like this. First, always whatever making, I make circle like this first, and do this. After that, I just pressure it here. Hey Joanna, good evening, beta. Yeah, we started class just a minute. Okay, we are making some small clay sessions going. Okay. So yeah, I see you are also very nice clay modeling. I see. You remember, Joanna? You start class first clay modeling now. Yes, and you make first day lots of cookies, chocolate. Remember? Yeah, I remember that. So I really enjoy this sessions, and you first time you come. Okay, so I'm making the tail like this, and I just add something this fin up and down, and then done, 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 done. Okay. Today, so I extension this class little for 5 minutes more because I make animation. John, I make animation, you know. Today I make this animation with this tortoise animation is running. Yeah, I make it. I share you in WhatsApp this video. I share you that. This is stop motion animation. You are creating this. You know, you see this animation in this Tare Zameen Par. In the naming time on animation is there when they start the. Yeah, this is the stop motion animation. I do this, and that artist are the name is Diman Vash, who is work in our office also in Byju's. Yeah, this artist Diman Vash, Diman sir is our director. So okay, this the fish is done. Okay, we are making so every alternative Sunday we are making something fun with the clay molding. So I can I say that animations also. Let's see. Yeah, show your fish who is gonna finish this fish and show